So VO3 is for someone that not knowing about VO3. Let me search for that VO3 Google. So this one is a AI video generator powered by Google. It's not new. Actually, it was generated and having for like a month ago and so on. So it's having very high quality in following the prompt. So you can create different video with this from text. This is super expensive. The reason why that we until now we bring that in because they are actually slash the price. So price reduce. Okay, so 19 hours ago, they are having a new pricing. So right now, the pricing is like half. So the VO3 now is $0.4 per second. It's worth 0.75. And VO3 fast is like 0.15 per second. It's worth like 0.4 before. So it's like kind of like 60% off on this one already. So I think that now it is quite a good time that you can explore this one, and it is more economically possible to try that. So in VO3, actually we integrated that in Agent, and also we can use that in Agent. We are integrated in Workflow, and then we can integrate in Agent and MAS as well. So let me play a video that I already make with this one, so that you can identify what does that mean. Okay, let's paste and go. Play.
What if I told you that a 2,000-year-old artifact might challenge everything we thought we knew about the history of electricity?
All right, so that is only 8 seconds of the screen, right? And it's including the image, the video, and the motion, and also including the voice. So the beautiful of this model is that it's multi-modality. So it means from very simple prompt, you can actually creating this kinds of like animation in one shot. So let me show you how can you create that in AgenticFlow. Okay. So let me come back to here and let me go into Workflow. So I will have this one. Where is this? VO3. Okay. Let me click on this one. So in here, we are adding this new action. So this is called Google Gemini Generate Video. This will accepting the selector where you can select between VO3 and VO3 fast, and you can select the aspect ratio. You can select the like the quality and some setting like allow adults or enhance prompt and number of video and so on and so on. But this one you can see the logo, which is PixelML logo. So it means you will need the PixelML key in order to using this one. And for this one, you can use that through our OpenRouter, and we just pass through the cost. So whatever that Google was selling, we just pass through to you. So because technically we just would like to enable you to leverage this capability. Yeah, so let me go into the history, and we can see what is the original video that I create and how can you replicate that. Okay, so this is the workflow that I ran 4 days ago, and the input is this text, which is like what if I told you blah blah and blah blah, and then the second one is it's a prompt of the image. So it means like I would like to show people like how is it display, and this is a multi-step workflow. The first workflow is to generate an image. The second one is I'm asking Gemini in order to create a prompt with the information, and finally it is generating the final video in here. Okay, let me go into the build tab, and we go through one by one. The first one is the dialog. Let me change this name. So this one was the dialog. And in this one is image prompt, and generate image. This one is using a Gemini 2.5 flash image. So this one is actually the real name of Nano Banana. So this one is going to accepting the image prompt, which is the from the user input, and it will output the image. And in this Ask Gemini node, actually this one we using just an LM, and we just prompt it like you are an expert prompt engineer, blah blah, and you will transform this dialogue and it may prompt into something that relevant. And in the generate VO3 video node, we are just taking the prompt from this one, and we're taking the image from the previous node in here in order to generate final.